It's 2 marks questions. First question, evaluate the following limits. In this we are going to discuss 4 questions, 4 sub questions. First sub question, limit x tends to 3, 1 by x plus 1. Solution, write the given question again and substitute in place of x3. And while substitution, you should not repeat the limit x tends to 3 again. You just substitute in place of x3. 1 by 3 plus 1, 1 by 4. Second sub question, limit x tends to 2, 2 by x plus 1 minus 3 by x. Solution, write the given question. In place of x, you need to substitute 2. While substitution, you should not write limit x tends to 2. 2 by, in place of x2, so 2 plus 1 minus 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 plus 1 3 minus 3 by 2. Now take LCM for 3 2, then 6. LCM of 3 2 is 6. 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3. 2 2's 4 minus 3 3 is 9 by 6. 4 minus 9 minus 5 by 6. Third sub question, limit x tends to 1, x square plus 2 by x square minus 2. Solution, write the given question. In place of x, substitute 1. 1 square plus 2 by 1 square minus 2. 1 square is 1. 1 plus 2, 3 by 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So minus 3. Fourth sub question, limit x tends to 0, x minus 1 by x square plus 4. Solution, write the given question. And in place of x, substitute 0. 0 minus 1 by 0 square plus 4. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 by 4. Second question, if f of x equal to minus root over 25 minus x square, then find limit x tends to 1, f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. Solution, what we need to find? Limit x tends to 1, f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. Write that is equal to limit x tends to 1. F of x means minus root over 25 minus x square minus f of 1 means in place of x you need to substitute 1. Then minus root over 25 minus 1 square by x minus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus root over 25 minus x square minus into minus plus root over 25 minus 1 square is 1. So 25 minus 1 is equal to root 24. Limit x tends to 1. Root 24 minus root over 25 minus x square by x minus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 1. Root 24 minus root over 25 minus x square by x minus 1. Now do the rationalization into root over 24 plus should be in numerator and denominator, root over 24 plus root 25 minus x square by root 24 plus root 25 minus x square is equal to limit x tends to 1. Root 24 minus root 25 minus x square. If you consider it as a minus b and here also a plus b, then a square minus b square it is in the form of then a minus b into a plus b. In place of a minus b into a plus b, you can write a square minus b square. Here a value is root 24 and b value is root 25 minus x square. A square minus b square. So a is root 24. Root 24 square minus root 25 minus x square whole square by multiply x minus 1 into root 24 plus root 25 minus x square is equal to limit x tends to 1, square root get cancelled, then 24 minus square and root cancel, 25 minus x square by x minus 1 same. From the previous step you can write limit x tends to 1, 25 minus 25 plus minus into minus plus x square by x minus 1 root 24 plus root 25 minus x square is equal to limit x tends to 1, 24 minus 25, 24 minus 25 equal to minus 1 plus x square, right? First x square and then minus 1 by x minus 1 root 24 plus root 25 minus x square equal to limit x tends to 1, x square minus 1 square. Denominator is same, is equal to limit x tends to 1, x square minus 1 square, which is in the form of a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b, x plus 1 into x minus 1 by denominator is same, x minus 1 and x minus 1 cancelled. In the next step remaining all same, but in the place of x you need to substitute 1. So 1 plus 1 by root 24 plus root 25 minus 1 square. You will get root 24 plus root 24. So 2 root 24. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 by 2 root 24 is equal to 2 to get cancelled, then 1 by root 24. Third question. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 root over 1 plus x minus 1 by x. Solution. Write the given question is equal to limit x tends to 0 root over 1 plus x minus 1 by x into, whenever you see root symbol in a numerator or denominator, you need to do rationalize. Plus should be there in the numerator and denominator. Root 1 plus x plus 1 by root 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 0 root 1 plus x minus 1 into root 1 plus x plus 1, which is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b. You can write it as a square minus b square. Limit x tends to 0 root 1 plus x square minus 1 square by x into root 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 0, square root get cancelled, 1 plus x minus 1 by x into root over 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, then x is the remaining one, x by x into root over 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 0, x get cancelled, then 1 by root over 1 plus x plus 1. In place of x you need to substitute 0. Then you should not write limit x tends to 0 while substitution. In place of x substitute 0, then 1 by root over 1 plus 0 plus 1. 1 by root over 1 plus 0 is 1, root 1. Root 1 plus 1, 2. So 1 by 2. Fourth question, evaluate x tends to 0, 3 root over 1 plus x minus 3 root over 1 minus x by x. Solution, write the given question. Limit x tends to 0, 3 root over 1 plus x minus 3 root over 1 minus x by x is equal to limit x tends to 0, 3 root over 1 plus x. You can write it as 3 root over 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus x power 1 by 3. 1 plus x 1 by 3 minus 3 root over 1 minus x. 1 minus x power 1 by 3 by x. First see the formula. Limit x tends to 0, x power n minus a power n by x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. You need to get in this format. Just add minus 1 plus 1. Remaining all same. Is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus x power 1 by 3 by x is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 1 plus x minus 1. If you cancel it, then you'll get x. So plus 1 and minus 1 you need to add in the denominator. Plus apply the limit. Split and apply limit. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus x power 1 by 3 by x. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 plus limit x tends to 0, 1 minus x whole power 1 by 3 by x. Now 1 minus x whole power 1 by 3, you need to write 1 minus x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1, and in denominator you need to add plus 1 and minus 1. 1 minus x minus 1. See, in the previous step plus x, and after changing 1 minus x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1, then it became minus x in the denominator. While we cancel 1 minus 1, then we'll get, after getting the format, substitute in n into a power n minus 1. Here n equal to 1 by 3 and a is 1, and n minus 1 means 1 by 3 minus 1, plus here also n into a power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 means minus 2 by 3. Then also we'll get 1. So 1 by 3 into 1, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 1. So 1. 1 by 3 into 1, 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1 by 3 is 2 by 6. So answer is. Fifth question, evaluate the following limits. In this we are having 3 sub questions. First sub question, limit x tends to infinity. Up to now we solved limit x tends to 0, 1 and 2. But here we are going to solve x tends to infinity. Limit x tends to infinity, 1 by x square. Solution, limit x tends to infinity, 1 by x square. X tends to infinity can be written as 1 by x tends to 0. 1 by x square. In the sixth problem, you can see the formula. Means limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to 1 by x, comma 1 minus 1 by x square, comma 1 by x cube. Then it is equal to 0. Second sub question, limit x tends to infinity e power x. Solution, write the given question and in place of x substitute infinity, then e power infinity equal to 0. Third sub question, limit x tends to infinity e power minus x square. Solution, write the given question. Let t equal to minus x square. Here x means x tends to infinity and t tends to minus infinity, equal to limit t tends to minus infinity e power, in place of minus x square you can write t is equal to 0. Sixth question, evaluate the following limits. Limit x tends to infinity 11x cube minus 3x plus 4 by 13x cube minus 5x square minus 7. Solution, write the given question is equal to limit x tends to infinity. For this type of questions, take the highest degree common. See in the numerator x cube and x power 1. Which is highest? X cube is highest degree. So x cube into 11 minus 3 by x square. See here, when we took x cube, then we need to write 3 by x square. See here, 3 by x square into x cube. Then x square will cancel and in x cube 1 will be remaining. So 3x. You got the 3x value. So we need to write as 3 by x square plus 4. See here, 4 by x cube into x cube. X cube will cancel, then we'll get 4. So we need to write in the form of 4 by x cube by x cube. Here highest degree is x cube. So x cube take outside, then x cube into 13 minus 5 by x. Here it is square, x square. So we need to write it as 5 by x minus 7 by x cube. Minus 7 by x cube into x cube. X cube will cancel. So we need to write it as minus 7 by x cube is equal to limit x tends to infinity. X cube will cancel. So 11 minus 3 by x square plus 4 by x cube by 13 minus 5 by x minus 7 by x cube. To solve this, we need to know the formula. Is equal to 11 minus 0 plus 0, because limit x tends to infinity, f of x is equal to 1 by x, comma 1 by x square, comma 1 by x cube and so on is equal to 0. Now in place of 3 by x square and 4 by x cube, we need to keep 0. 11 minus 0 plus 4 by x cube 0 by 13 minus 0 minus 0. Now the answer is 11 by 13. Seventh question, evaluate the following limits. In this we are going to see two sub questions. First question, limit x tends to 0 sine ax by x cos x. Solution, write the given question. Limit x tends to 0 sine ax by x cos x. X and cos x in the denominator, we are having two terms. So we need to split it. Is equal to limit x tends to 0 sine ax by x. And for cos x, you can write 1 by cos x. So sine ax into 1 means 1 by cos x. Sine ax into 1 is sine ax and x into cos x cos x is equal to limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x, and apply for 1 by cos x also. Limit x tends to 0 1 by cos x is equal to, now we need to know the formula, sin ax by x by x. Okay, we need to write limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x is equal to a. So a into limit x tends to 0 1 by cos x. In place of x, you need to substitute 0. Then 1 by cos 0. Cos 0 value is 1. A into 1 by 1. Cos 0 equal to 1. So a into 1 by 1 is a. Second sub question. Limit x tends to a tan x minus a by x square minus a square. Solution, write the given question again, is equal to limit x tends to a. Here limit is x tends to a. Tan x minus a by x square minus a square means which is in the form of a square minus b square. It can be written as a minus b into a plus b. X minus a into x plus a is equal to limit x tends to a tan x minus a by, split the two terms, then tan x minus a by x minus a into 1 by x plus a is equal to limit x tends to a tan x minus a by x minus a. Apply limit here, then limit x tends to a 1 by x plus a is equal to limit, in place of x you can write x minus a tends to 0. Limit x minus a tends to 0. See here, tan x minus a means x. Limit x minus a tends to 0. Tan x minus a by x minus a into limit x tends to a. In place of x you can substitute a, then 1 by a plus a. Limit x minus a tends to 0. Tan, see here, tan x minus a by x minus a, you are having formula limit x tends to 0 tan x by x is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 by a plus a, 1 by 2a. 1 into 1 by 2a is 1 by 2a. Eighth question, evaluate limit x tends to pi by 2 cos x by x minus pi by 2. Solution, write the given question, is equal to limit x minus pi by 2. In place of x you can write it as x minus pi by 2 tends to 0. Then cos x, in place of cos x you can write is equal to sine into pi by 2 minus x. Sine 90 means cos it will become, so you can write it as sine pi by 2 minus x in place of cos x by x minus pi by 2. Limit x minus pi by 2 tends to 0. When you will change x, then it will become as minus sine x minus pi by 2 by x minus pi by 2. See the formula, limit x tends to 0. Here x is x minus pi by 2. So here also x. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. So here minus 1. Ninth question, evaluate limit x tends to 1 sin x minus 1 by x square minus 1. Solution, write the given question, is equal to limit x tends to 1 a sin x minus 1 by x square minus 1. It is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Sin limit x tends to 1 sine x minus 1 by, it can be written as a minus b into a plus b, x minus 1 into x plus 1. Limit x tends to 1, sine x minus 1, split the two terms, x minus 1, sine x minus 1 by x minus 1 into 1 by x plus 1. If you multiply, then you'll get x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to, see here, in place of x you can write x minus 1 tends to 0. Here x is x minus 1. Sin x minus 1 by x minus 1 into, apply here limit x tends 1 into 1 by x plus 1. See the formula, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. In place of x, x minus 1. So limit x minus 1 tends to 0, sin x minus 1 by x minus 1, answer is 1. Into limit x tends to 1. In place of x, you need to substitute 1 by 1 plus 1. 1 into 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, so 1 into 1 by 2, answer is 1 by 2. 10th question. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 e power 7x minus 1 by x. Solution. Write the given question. See the formula. Limit x tends to 0 e power ax minus 1 by x is equal to a. Compare with the question, then a equal to 7. Now answer is 7. 11th question. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by b power x minus 1, where a is greater than 0, b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. Solution. Write the given question. Limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x, b power x minus 1 by x. If you cancel x, then there will be no difference. So divided by x, you need to write extra. Limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x, and apply limit for b power x minus 1 by x. Now see the formula. Limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a. And for this, limit x tends to 0 b power x minus 1 by x, then it will become log b. Log a by log b is equal to log a to the base b. 12th question. Limit x tends to 0 x into e power x minus 1 by 1 minus cos x. Solution. Write the given question. Is equal to limit x tends to 0 x into e power x minus 1 by, see here, 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sine square x by 2 you can write. So in place of 1 minus cos x, you can write 2 sine square x by 2. Limit x tends to 0 x into e power x minus 1 by x square by 2 sine square x by 2 by x square. X square get cancelled, then we'll get same. So write x square divided by. Apply limit for numerator and denominator. Limit x tends to e power x minus 1 by x, and 2 limit x tends to 0 sine x by 2 by x whole square is equal to 1 by, means limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x, value is 1. So 1 by 2 into value is 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1. 2 into 2 square is 1 by 4 is equal to 1 2 by 4. 2 into 1 2 and 4. 1 2 by 4 equal to, then 4 by 2 means 2. Answer is 2. 13th question. Show that limit x tends to 0 plus 2 mod x by x plus x plus 1 is equal to 3. You need to find RHS value is equal to 3. Solution. Write the given question. Only write the LHS part. Is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, in place of mod x you are having two cases. mod x is equal to x greater than 0, then x is less than 0, then minus x. Here right limit is 0 plus, so x greater than, you need to take in place of mod x. See here, mod x value is x greater than 0, then x, 2x by x plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus x get cancelled, then 2 plus 1 is 3 plus x is equal to 3. See here, in place of x you should substitute 0, so 3 plus 0 is equal to 3.